listen. Let me see. I don't know why I'm laughing so much, but I am late. Okay, so I got invited to a bonfire slash rave slash party, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to be at 7 p.m. It is literally almost 8 o'clock and I am late. But I want to bring you guys along with me. So I'm trying to get ready, but I'm trying to vlog at the same time. So it's I don't know, I'm just giggling. I'm almost done getting ready. I'm gonna finish to that because I'm already late. But I want to bring you guys along with me. I want you guys to experience this with me. So we're gonna do this. What am I doing? What am I doing? Yes, I have something else to put on, so I'm gonna do that. And I will catch up with you guys when we're actually at the bonfire. I need to finish getting dressed. Alright guys, so I'm all dressed. Let's go get our groove on. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Okay. Let me see. Make sure I have everything. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Okay, so I can hear the music. I don't think they've started the fires yet.
mais a lenha pro campo, vem fazer a maçã.
It is now minutes to 2 in the morning. Hang on. My camera is literally about to die, so let me see. Imagine like there was this rave truck and the truck left the bar where we were shut down. You would expect that everybody would go home, right? But no, these people found an outlet, they plugged a speaker, and I still left them at the bonfire. Bonfire died out and everything, and these people are still going. But yeah, I needed to get home. I'm tired, I need to rest, so I left. But I had a great time, bro. And yes, I'm sitting in my bathroom. It is what it is, don't judge me. I had an amazing time. I feel light, I let loose, I released all negative energy. I just had fun. I love doing spontaneous stuff like that. 2026 has been a very tough year for me, so being able to just do something like this and just have fun and be carefree and meet new people, it was just an amazing experience, and I'm glad I could have brought you guys along with me. It was pretty cool. But yeah, my legs are dusty right now. I am tired, my ankles hurt, my knees hurt, my waist hurt, my everything hurts. So I am gonna jump in the shower, take a nice hot steamy shower, and then I'm gonna jump in bed. So yeah, this is where we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this, because I most definitely did. If you did, please be sure to let me know down in the comment section below. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. You don't need to leave, you can stick around, click around, check out some more stuff. I have amazing videos that you guys can check out. I have a lot more stuff that you guys can actually check out, so you don't have to go, but I do. So until the next one, remember to be safe, fierce love, and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be breezy. Peace, guys. Peace.